Okay, Marshal have been a very reliable contractor for us. They come at a time when we have needs. They give us the right solutions. They give us the right pricing, and the good part about them is that whenever we have any kind of issues, when our systems are down, when there are some on-site problems, they are very quick to respond and to restore them, because they realize the importance of us to manage our business and to manage our costs that is coming in. Okay, we have engaged Marshal to provide us a IP PBX system that will enable us to actually receive calls, and our call management system, and everything has been properly set up for the customers to call in, and for us to also engage with the customers, and our calls are being easily transferred, and we are also able to manage our calls, looking at the recipient's information as well as to contact back our customers. Now we have also engaged Marshal to also develop for us our website to replace the obsolete one that we had, and the website is very engaging. The customers are able to engage with us. We're able to provide our latest information on the web, and most importantly is that the customers now are able to make their online booking through this system, meaning that they don't need to call us, they don't need to even come to the club to make reservations for the facilities. They can actually do it online, and I think that's a tremendous help and a tremendous benefit to our customers.
Hi, this is the IJM LAN CRM front desk desktop, which you could see the agent activities on all the sales assignments. You could see on a bar chart over here that indicates the sales leads that has been assigned to the respective sales personnel. And over here you could see basically the entire leads generation that has been gathered based on the call that drops into the toll-free number that has been assigned for IJM LAN Seremban. And these are the type of reports that could be generated from the application. Further to it, we do have many other modules as well that is not been used at this point of time, whereby the main purpose of this particular application is solely meant for lead generation, and in order to basically see the status of the threshold. This dashboard also gives you the sales funnel GUI based on agents, the sales representatives.
Hello, I'm Sam. I'm from IBM International. IBM International's nature of business is into corporate trainings and consultancy, where we heavily rely on telemarketers and B2B database to operate. Productivity of call agents and data security is of prime concern in our operations to be profitable. Now, we needed a technology partner who could support our business needs, and that's when we found Marshal. The three things that I liked about Marshal's approach to support their business partners is: one, the ability to understand the customer's practical needs, cost and operational pain points, which I term as being customer-centric. I really gained a lot from that. Now, their approach to addressing setup and implementation cost, this sets them apart from the competitors when they proposed a cost-effective subscription model that worked very well for us. Now we are up and running within 3 weeks of signing up. Now, the robust growth model of the system is good, as now I can expand the subscription as per usage, which is cost effective, and most importantly, as a business owner, I can access my systems from remote locations, which gives me complete control of my business operations. Now, I would sum up Marshal as a trusted business solutions partner rather than a vendor. I would like to thank Mr. Mohan and his Marshal team for a brilliant job done. Thank you.
We are connected into agent screen in IBM International. Our agent is now on a live interactive call with the caller. All the agents are connected by using desktop software.
your manager.
Who's Mr. Roshan?
Thank you.
The agent now is basically interacting with the caller, and if you could see now, the live agent is
Transfer my call to him.
communicating to her CRM
From which department?
as to when
Account manager.
the agent is supposed to call back the client,
Oh, account manager.
and the right person involved handling a particular account.
To manager.
Once this particular
So,
name details and the phone numbers have been updated,
092.
the agent will basically do the respective changes as to the calendar, as to when the next call has to be scheduled to, according to the time frame as well. Now this particular call has been successfully completed. If you could see, the agent is not going into any breakdown, and she is now connected to the next particular caller. So in this particular mode, all agents are not required to use their physical phone, as you could see on the table, where the system will intelligently dial all required numbers automatically, ensuring the agents don't have to have their hands onto the physical phone and only concentrate in doing their day-to-day call pitching and reaching their respective KPI. Hi, a screen capture of incoming call that is landing into the front office. You could see the call that is coming for which company, and the caller that is calling in, and also a pattern history of when was the caller calling into the same company the last time, and how the call has to be greeted. On the far right, if you could see as well, it gives you an indication of the respective staffs in the following company. This is the front office screen of Lions World front office agents, which clearly indicates and gives them a very clear view of the total number of calls that is been answered by respective front office personnel. And all of them basically will also have a very clear view of clients' bills, which is nearing their service threshold deposit, so that they could enlighten the clients that the respective bills have to be serviced accordingly. This is a billing module that we have designed for Lions World Business Center, specifically for them to have a very clear view of a billing summary report for all their respective customers, a very detailed billing report which will be distributed to the clients at the end of the month, and as well as a very complex reporting that was told to be designed in order for the front office to be able to view on certain customers' usage based on percentage and as well as amount reaching to specific threshold.
Hi, I'm Jeremy, the Director of ENVO BBO Services in Berhad. So basically, we are a business process outsourcing company, and we have a call center located in PJ and also in Bangsar South, KL. So we are using Marshal's call center solution and also IPBX system for now, based on subscription model. And for now, we have a few projects where we are using Marshal system. Approximately about more than 50 agents are using this model for inbound and for outbound services as well. And just for one of the projects, we have tailor-made and also custom a wall board to monitor our agents' KPI. And thankfully, with the help of Marshal, we are able to come up with a very good system to also assist our client in making sure they hit their KPI and to fulfill whatever results that they want. So Marshal and ENVO, we are working very closely together to make sure that we give you a one-stop solution just for your company's need.
Hi, what you're seeing now is basically the wall board display that indicates the service level abandon rates, total call answered, total agents on break, total numbers of agents that is logged in. As you could see, basically this is completely a GUI based solution which can also be accessed remotely by authorized supervisors. Over here you could see the floor which has got approximately a live 50 number of agents, where the number of agents are going to be blended, that they will accommodate both inbound and outbound as well. Hi, what you're viewing here now is basically 50 seat inbound and outbound call center ENVO BPO. Over here, the inbound calls and outbound calls are fully running on Marshal Technology, whereby all agents could be basically be interacting by just using a headset without having to have a physical IP phone or a physical phone connected. Yeah, so basically this is what you can see as the agent is logging in and answering a phone call based on the CRM screen that you could see. They are now interacting with the caller, and the calls will be answered by the agents. These services can also be done or totally customized according to any manner that the caller wants. If you could see, basically now there will be a database access to the system where the calls can be generated by automatically dialing via using a services that we offer by applying the predictive dialer. Over here you could see a complete wallboard display that indicates the activity of all agents on the respective ACD groups, which indicates the total number of service levels, abandoned calls, the total number of agents on break, and every information that you want us to be customized. Another advantage of this particular wallboard is it is a complete GUI base, and it can be connected remotely by the supervisors by accessing their respective credentials. This is a part of the contact center. Thank you.
Saya Sakina Islam dari UNITI Office 6 Berhad. Kami mempunyai ramai pelanggan. Pelanggan kami memerlukan kami menjawab panggilan mereka seperti yang mereka kendaki, mengambil pesanan mereka dan terus hantar kepada telefon bimbit mereka, dan juga mengambil pesanan dan menghantar kepada email mereka. Kami juga menggunakan sistem WhatsApp tersendiri sebagai media komunikasi. Dengan menggunakan sistem Marshal ini, semua kerja-kerja kami dapat dilakukan dengan mudah dan berkesan. Sebentar lagi saya akan tunjukkan bagaimana sistem ini beroperasi. Selamat datang ke Yayasan UNITI. Saya Sakina. Boleh saya bantu? Okey. Boleh? Ya. Okey, apa pesanan cik? Okey. Okey. Okey.